Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by locating the memoji you want and setting up a neutral background so the PNG looks clean. Open Messages, FaceTime, or the Memoji editor and position the face at the desired size. Once done, switch to a plain wallpaper or a solid color image. This makes background removal easier later. Make sure screen brightness and orientation are stable so the capture has consistent lighting. You're now ready for the first capture method, live sticker or screenshot. You'll capture the memoji at the largest, sharpest size available. For stickers, press and hold the memoji in Messages, drag to a blank area, then screenshot that composition. For video, record a short clip of the memoji and extract a frame at highest resolution. On Mac, open Messages, send the memoji sticker to yourself, then right-click and save image as for better resolution. Once you have the image file, inspect it for crisp edges and consistent background. Before proceeding to you now remove the background and save as a PNG. On iPhone, use Photos Markup or a background eraser app to delete the background, then use Share right arrow Save to Files and choose PNG. On Mac, open the image in Preview, use Instant Alpha or make an alpha channel and export as PNG. If edges look jagged, recapture larger and crop less. If colors shift, check display settings and recapture. One key tip: always keep the original capture until your final PNG looks perfect.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.